This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by launching Enscape with your CAD scene open so changes update live. This saves time and avoids guesswork. First, pick the camera type: perspective for realistic depth, orthographic for plans, or 360 degrees for panoramas, because the type dictates available controls and final output. Next, enable the Enscape viewport or pop-out window so you can see immediate visual results while you tweak parameters. Once done, lock your host view to prevent accidental moves, and now refine position using move, rotate, or walk mode. You want a stable eye height and a clear focal point because composition depends on that relationship. Then adjust field of view in degrees and aperture to control perspective and depth of field. Smaller f-stop equals shallower focus for subject isolation. Also set focal distance to pin the sharp plane. Make sure exposure, white balance, and manual ISO are tuned so lighting and colors look natural before you commit to final captures. Finally, save your exact camera by creating a bookmark or using the viewport capture so you can return to the same framing later. This is essential for revisions. Choose render quality, enable denoising if needed, and pick the right file format and resolution for your deliverable. Once exported, verify shadows and highlights. If the view looks off or noisy, reset the camera transform or clear Enscape's view cache, then reapply settings. This usually solves jitter, incorrect exposure, or missing geometry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.